Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to share a special historical place that is called Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace, also known as Amba Vilas Palace, is a historical palace located in Mysore, Karnataka, India. It is one of the most famous tourist attractions in India and a prominent example of Indo-Saracenic architecture, which blends elements of Hindu, Muslim, Rajput, and Gothic styles. Here's a detailed look at the palace, history, construction and renovations. The current structure was built between 1897 and 1912 after the old wooden palace was destroyed by a fire. It was designed by the British architect Henry Irwin. Royal residence. The palace has been the official residence of the Wadiyar dynasty since 1399. It served as the seat of the Kingdom of Mysore for centuries. Architecture Indo-Saracenic style. This architectural style combines elements of Indian, Persian, and Western styles. The palace features a three-story stone structure with marble domes and a 145-foot five-story tower. Exterior. The facade is adorned with expansive arches, minarets, and domes. It includes a large open courtyard and several smaller buildings within the compound. Interior. The interior is lavishly decorated with stained glass, mirrors, carved wooden doors, mosaic floors, and beautiful frescoes. The Darbar Hall, Audience Hall, and the Kalyana Mantapa, Marriage Pavilion, are particularly noteworthy. Key feature is illumination. The palace is illuminated with nearly 100,000 bulbs during special occasions, creating a stunning visual effect. Temples. The palace complex includes several temples dedicated to Hindu deities, such as Lakshmi Ramana, Shweta Varahaswamy, and others. Paintings and artifacts. The palace houses a rich collection of paintings, jewelry, costumes, and various artifacts belonging to the royal family. Garden. The surrounding gardens add to the beauty of the palace, featuring well-manicured lawns and flowering plants. Cultural significance. Dussehra Festival. Mysore Palace is the center of the annual Dussehra festival, which is celebrated with grand processions, cultural performances, and various other festivities. The palace is beautifully decorated and illuminated during this time. Tourist attraction. It attracts millions of tourists from around the world every year, making it one of the most visited monuments in India. Accessibility. Location. The palace is located in the heart of Mysore city, making it easily accessible by road and rail. Visiting hours. It is open to visitors from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. daily. Special illumination shows are held on Sundays and during public holidays from 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. Visitor information. Entry fees. There is an entry fee for visitors, with different rates for Indian and foreign tourists. Guided tours. Guided tours are available to help visitors understand the historical and cultural significance of the palace. Mysore Palace is a splendid example of royal heritage and architectural brilliance, reflecting the rich history and culture of the Mysore region.